Okay, so today I figured we would check our Windows 11 virtual machine and see if we can free up some storage space since we only gave it 60 gigabytes. So I have the virtual machine booted up here, so we're inside Windows 11. So what I like to do to free up space, we'll open up the File Explorer and we're going to go to this PC, local disk C, Windows, the software distribution folder, and we're going to highlight all this. And we're going to hit Shift Delete, so that way it doesn't go straight to the recycle bin, it just gets deleted. And it's going to pause and think about it here for a second. Nope, there we go. Yes, permanently delete. So you see that got rid of almost half a gigabyte of data. So once this gets done, I'll show you. Once administrative permission, we'll click do this for all items. And continue. This folder is basically just a storage cache for Windows Update. So a lot of times it'll leave files in there that you don't need. So we're going to go ahead and delete them. So this may take it a while. I'll pause the video and come back whenever it's done. Okay, so sometimes you'll get this error here. So you can either skip it, because even if you skip it, you're still going to get, delete a lot of files. So if you don't skip it, what you have to do is actually go into the services and turn off Windows Update. But I'll just go ahead and skip it just so it frees up some of our space here. And skip again. Okay. So that freed up some space. It was initially about 500 megabytes, so we got rid of about half of it, so that's good. So after I do that, I usually go to this PC again, right click on the local disk. Go to Properties, Disk Cleanup. Okay, so finally loaded. So we're going to go to, you can delete everything here if you want. You can select check, but I usually go to the clean up system files first. Okay, so this finally loaded. So what we're going to do is check all of these boxes. And as you can see right here, delivery optimization files is 308 megabytes. So we're going to save a decent chunk there. We'll keep selecting all these. Yep, looks like we're good. We're going to click OK. So that'll free us up another 330 megabytes. So we'll click yes, we want to delete them. And it's going to go through and delete these files. Okay, so that got done deleting all that. So you can see now we have 40 gigabytes free of 59.3, or about 60, I think is what we initially gave it. So we'll click OK. We'll get out of this. And just to clean it up a little more, we'll see, I think they had some extra, yeah, there's all these other apps here we don't need, so I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of these two. Solitaire we don't need, we'll uninstall it. Yep, uninstall. And we'll do the same thing for a few of these. Disney Plus we don't need, uninstall. Prime Video we don't need, uninstall. TikTok we don't need, uninstall. Instagram, uninstall, that's gone. Yep, agree. Don't need Facebook either. Let's see here. Xbox, won't need that. And we'll get rid of Spotify also. Looks like it didn't take that Xbox. Okay, there we go. It's uninstalled. Okay, just to make sure we don't have any other junk on our machine here, we'll right click on the Windows icon. We're gonna go up to Apps and Features and check and see if there's any other junk we can get rid of. Okay, so this finally loaded, so let's scroll through here and see what we don't need. Microsoft News, will it let us install that? Or uninstall it? Yep, we'll get rid of that. Microsoft OneDrive, won't need that either. That's 240 megabytes we'll save, so that's good. Save us even more space. Okay, so those two are gone. Microsoft Teams, we won't be needing that. We'll get rid of Teams. Don't know if it'll, nope, won't let us get rid of Xbox Game Bar. Xbox Live we can get rid of. Okay, so all those are gone. Let's check through. It looks like about it. Okay, so let's see how much extra space we freed up. We'll close out of this. Go over here to this PC again. 40.2 gigabytes free. Okay, so we saved another 200 megabytes, so that's pretty good. So that should be about it. I plan on using this machine for some more PowerShell scripting tutorials. So I figured we'd free up some extra space. So that should be about it. Thanks for watching.